This homemade hair cream is all natural but can help reduce the amount of hair loss and make your hair grow longer and faster within 2 weeks. Normally, our hair grows about 1 centimeter a month, but only a few of us do see grow at this rate. All sorts of environmental damage, chemicals, and dietary deficiencies cause our hair to break and fall out. If you apply this homemade cream in only 2 weeks, you will see a real improvement in the growth speed of your hair. In addition, it also improves the health of the hair and gives glossy, smooth, and radiant hair. Here's how to make it. Firstly, you need to combine coconut oil and honey in a small bowl. Take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey and blend them up. Both coconut oil and honey are so good for your hair. Coconut oil strengthens your hair, condition your scalp, and penetrate your hair shaft to moisturize hair strands from inside. In fact, coconut oil is the only oil that reduces protein loss in hair, as well as make your hair grow quickly and beautifully. Honey is a natural humectant, contains antimicrobial agents, and is a natural antioxidant. Honey sucks in moisture from the air, giving your hair all the moisturized goodness by nourishing the scalp for future healthy hair. You can use any kind of honey such as raw honey, manuka honey, or just plain old regular honey from the honey bear jar. Next, we mix honey and coconut oil mixture with egg. This recipe uses egg yolk, so you crack the egg and remove the egg white in a bowl. Then, pour the egg yolk in the mixing bowl. The thought of applying egg to your hair may not be pleasant, but once you do, you won't want to turn back. You already know that coconut oil and honey promote hair growth and hydrate hair, but the protein-rich egg yolk not only promotes new hair growth, but also speed up the rate of growth. Moreover, egg yolk is high in lutein, which hydrates the hair, thereby improving its elasticity. It also helps in developing resistance to breakage, which may translate into fewer split ends. Now, all essential ingredients of this recipe are in the bowl. Whisk them well by using a spoon until thoroughly combined. Dab your hair before applying the mixture. If your hair is a little wet, it will be easier to distribute the mixture from the roots to your tips. Use a wire tooth comb to comb the mixture through your hair, making sure it coats every strand. Then, massage your scalp with your fingers for a few minutes. Leave the mixture on for an hour for it to go to work on your hair. To keep things neat, you might want to put your hair up in a loose bun and cover it with a shower cap. When the time passes, wash it off with cold water and a mild shampoo. The shampoo will remove excess oil and egg, leaving your hair shiny and soft with no build-up. Be sure to use cool or lukewarm water so the egg doesn't cook in your hair. Follow this routine once a week and you will soon have long, smooth hair.